Fueling the Mini X. Fuels are flammable, so be sure to observe these practices in order to reduce the possibility of a serious accident. Always shut off the engine and ignition when refueling. Be sure to ground the fuel nozzle against the filler neck to avoid sparks. Keep sparks and open flames away from fuel. Do not use a cell phone or two-way radio while fueling or handling fuel, as this could cause sparks. With this, remember, smoking is prohibited while refueling and when handling fuel containers. Do not overfill the tank or spill fuel. If any does spill, you must clean it up immediately.